Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain why is it important to wash rice before cooking. Why is it important to rinse or wash rice before cooking? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. Rice is grown in many places. So the main places which rice is grown in the world is India, China, and Indonesia, Bangladesh. All these are the places where rice it is grown. So in this video, I'm going to explain the importance of rinsing or washing rice before cooking. The main thing is when you wash rice, it is helpful in removing dust or removing excess starch from the rice. But also there's one important benefit of rinsing rice before cooking. The first thing, the important thing is that rice it contains high amount of arsenic. So when you are washing rice or rinsing rice, helping in washing away or removing arsenic, because when you are exposed to arsenic for a long period of time from not washing rice, it means that you're going to get symptoms of abdominal pain, nausea, numbness of feet and the hands. But also arsenic, high exposure to arsenic, it is high risk of getting lung or bladder cancer. So make sure that you rinse or wash your rice before cooking. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.